which roles or job profiles do you feel are best suited to work from home? Are there certain industries or departments also within your organization that you think could be suited? And conversely, are there some that you feel honestly we can't be considering this as a work from home option?
Yeah, I think specific to Thomson Reuters, if I have to call it out, I think majority of the roles we can work from home, and we have been having flexible work policies for the last 5-6 years. So if I have to list out, be it finance, organization, or technology, or content, or enabling functions, etc. But one of the teams that is still working from office in a big way is our Reuters news and media professionals, which is part of our essential services, and they need to be in office. The kind of technology, every second matters for them because you're putting out news on what's happening globally. So the kind of technology will never be replicated at home. So that's the team that predominantly works in office, apart from the IT support, few people, etc.
That's actually a very interesting point that you made, that the assumption that we have bandwidth at home and we have broadband at home, so everyone should be able to work at home. But it's very clear for a media and news agency where every second counts, and especially financial news. I don't think you can, replicate that bandwidth that you do get in your offices. That's really interesting take on it. Harjeet, from your perspective, are there any jobs that you feel are suited and not suited?
Look, I will try to simplify in terms of defining parameters. So anyone who is dealing with your internal stakeholders or suppliers, that person has liberty to work from anywhere, not even from home. That guy can sit anywhere in India and work. Anyone like in your office also who has been sitting in front of laptop or who has been interacting on phone or who is whole day sitting in meetings, you're strategy guys. These guys can work from anywhere. So typically if you see functions wise, your IT guys, your HR guys, your finance guys, your audit guys, anyone who is working on queries, anyone who is working on ops, where you are solving operations queries, or if you have an internal sales department. So that piece can actually work from anywhere. In the long run, what is going to happen is the jobs of reviewers, the managerial jobs, the way PUBG as a platform doesn't allow you to have a manager. So those managerial jobs are not going to be, say, you don't need those guys in the field. They can sit anywhere and they can do the work from anywhere.